तेग बहादुर सिमरे कर नौनत आवे ताए हर नौनत आवे ताए हर नौनत आवे ताए वाहिगुरू।
Sorat Mahalla Nawa. Rag Sorat, the musical tune, the ninth Guru Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Man ki man hi mahe rahi. The mind's desire remains in the mind unfulfilled. Na har bhaje na tirath seve choti kal gahi rahao. The person does not meditate on the Lord nor perform seva or voluntary service at places of pilgrimage. Death swoops down, unexpectedly seizing the person by the hair. Pause. This is the central focus of the Shabad, as Maharaj is teaching us about the state of mind of a person who is deluded by the pursuit of their mind's desires. Meditation or voluntary service are both neglected when one pursues their own desires. Thus, death sweeps down, taking away any chance of redemption. It is too late to correct your wrongs, as you can only reap the fruits of your actions. Let's possess the wisdom to make our present fruitful now, as we have no idea when death will descend upon us. Dara meet Putarath Sampate Tan Puran Sab Mahi. Wife, friends, children, family, chariots, vehicles of transportation, property, total wealth of the entire world. Avar Sagal Mithya e Jano Bhajan Ram ko Sahi. Know that all of these are mythical. The Lord's meditation alone is true. The word mithya is often translated to mean false. It is more accurately translated to mean mythical. All that we see is mythical, but as we are in a physical body, in a physical material world, we struggle to grasp with this truth. Sikhi teaches us that the only thing that is true or unmythical is God. God is the only constant and eternal being. All other beings are temporary, timed, and limited. Force is God, and all matter is mythical. In our bodies, we have a soul or Atma, which is the God cosmic energy within us, being eternal and non-changing. This Atma is not our Jiva Bhav, being which is attached to creation, or our sense of self, character, or personality. What we have to do is erode our ego and realize our true nature. Through self-realization of the Atma within us, we comprehend the mythical nature of all that we see, hear, touch, and interact with. Additionally, we appreciate the permeation of God through every atom and pore of this creation, and recognize our true function and role in this world. Phirit phirat bahote jog haryo manas dehe lahi. Wandering around for so many ages in different life forms, finally the person obtained this human body. The word jog translates to an age or aeon. Sikhi believes in a cycle of 4 of these ages. We are currently living in the age of sin, called Kal Yuga. The cycle of ages starts with Satyug, which has a length of 1,728,000 years, followed by Treta Yuga, which is 1,296,000 years long, followed by Dwapar Yuga, which is 864,000 years long, lastly followed by Kal Yuga, which is 432,000 years long. The current age of Kal Yuga is approximately 5,000 years into its current cycle, so we have a long way to go before the dawn of the age of truth or Satyug. A full cycle of reincarnation takes 3.5 billion years. Where Maharaj has said that many ages were lost wandering in different life forms, they are referring to a total cycle of 810 times of the 4 jugs being spent to cover this amount of time. Thus, many of us will go through many jugs in reincarnation before ever getting the chance of human life ever again. if we get the chance at all. This also puts this Gurbani Shabad into perspective. Kei janam sail gir karya. In so many incarnations, you were rocks and mountains. Ang 176 by Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji. We have even passed lives as rocks and mountains, only moving on to the next life form upon destruction of the rock or mountain or its disintegration. Nanak kahat milan ki bariya simrat kaha nahi. Says Nanak, this is the opportunity to meet the Lord. Why don't you meditate and remember Him? It is only in human life that you can have the opportunity to break free of the cycle of reincarnation. You cannot do this in any other life form. Let's not spurn this chance, for we may never get it again. Rag Sorat, Ang 631, Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji.
ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਸਿਮਰਿਆ ਕਰ ਨਾਨਕ ਆਵੇ ਤਾਏ